Hey everyone, today we are whipping up a delicious refreshing badam milk using MTR Badam mix. So let's get started. This one is 200-gram pack, MRP is 136 and 9 months is the shelf life. And this mix comes in a powdered form with a lovely blend of cardamom, saffron, almond flavor. But honestly, the almond quantity and flavor felt a bit light on its own. So we are adding extra almond to take the taste to the next level. So first take 10 to 12 almonds, soak them and then peel off their skin, grind them with a splash of milk in a mixer to make a smooth paste, and this almond paste is our secret weapon for the extra richness. Now heat 2 glasses of milk about 500 ml on a medium flame and then add the almond paste which you have prepared earlier. And once the milk start boiling, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of MTR Badam mix. Go big, okay? And mix well to avoid lumps. Now a pinch of saffron for the premium touch. Now look at the rich color, smell, cardamom almond aroma, and time to turn off the heat. Let it cool down. Once it is at room temperature, pop it in the fridge for 3-4 hours to get it super chilled. And now look at this, it's absolutely stunning. Review time. This badam milk is rich, creamy and so refreshing. And MTR badam mix bring a nice cardamom and saffron flavor with just the right amount of sweetness, not too much, not too little. Like I said, the almond flavor was a bit mild on its own, but with the extra almond paste, it's bursting the authentic badam goodness. So will you try this badam milk recipe? Got any twist for it? Drop them in the comment section and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.